Hello and welcome to the Capybara farm. Come on in, the water is lovely and the capybaras are waiting to meet you. As you can see, they love being petted. The fur is quite unique, very soft, but also a bit coarse, perfect for life in and out of the water. Let's look closer at this macro view. The skin is uniquely textured, with coarse hair follicles visible across the surface, unlike any other rodent.
The weight gain is significant on this group.
Agreed. Let's cross-reference with the immunization data here.
The beauty of these wetlands is truly inspiring. And speaking of nature's bounty, let's talk about the upcoming harvest season.
Take a look at the one near the fence line, the light brown one.
I see her. She's not gaining weight properly. We should separate her.
Good morning from the farm. We've seen where the ingredients come from. Now let's head over to the factory to see how they're processed. As you can see by the sign behind me, this is where we craft the finest premium capybara leather goods. I'm ready to step inside the lab. Join me as we explore the incredible work being done here at the forefront of scientific innovation.
Make a note of the water retention on this one.
Yeah.
Already marked it down. The thickness is acceptable though.
This is our signature wet blue leather. As you can see, the durability is unmatched. We stretch it to its limit and it holds strong every time. If we look here at the analysis, the protein levels in the wheat samples have reached a 5-year high, which is excellent news for exports.
A sense of quality craftsmanship.
Welcome. Come with me as we explore the intricate process behind our finished leather right here on the assembly line.
As you can see, the speed and precision of these robots are unmatched. This allows us to process orders with incredible efficiency, minimizing downtime.
This is the semi-finished aluminum casing I was telling you about. It's light, durable, and ready for the next stage of assembly.
The patience and precision here are just breathtaking. It's an honor to watch him work. The craftsmanship on this messenger bag is absolutely superb. The leather feels incredible. This one definitely gets my seal of approval.
This is the bag you've been waiting for. The craftsmanship is exquisite, and look how easily I can handle it. It's perfect for daily use.
It holds the phone and the Continental wallet perfectly, and there's still plenty of space for your other essentials, making it the ideal everyday bag.
Here you go. As you can see, the strap is fully adjustable, and it pairs perfectly with the new summer collection.
Incredible work, everyone. So proud of what we built here.
Yeah, cheers to that.
Chương trình hôm nay thực sự rất thành công. Cảm ơn quý vị đã theo dõi. Hẹn gặp lại trong các số tiếp theo nhé.